Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss gastrointestinal hormones. So gastrointestinal hormones are the not typical endocrine glands. There are some cells secretes hormones in the stomach and intestinal region. So those cells not form typical endocrine glands. They just act on the local region where they are secreted, just they act on them. So automatically the hormones which are secreted functionally in the local region. Suppose they are secreted in the stomach, they act on the gastric region, that some stomach region only. So those type of hormones are regulate our digestive activities. So those hormones are called as gastrointestinal hormones. Let's see what are those. Gastrointestinal hormones. So also called as local hormones. They act on the region where they secretes. So local hormones. So they are not forming some typical endocrine glands. They just those are endocrine cells. Endocrine cells scattered in the stomach and intestine. Stomach and intestine region. Stomach and intestinal region. These cells, these endocrine cells secrete some hormones. They activate some juices and gases, juices and enzymes. Those are participate. These endocrine cells secretes hormones. Those hormones controls our digestive activity. So those are called as gastrointestinal hormones. So let's see what are those. So these endocrine cells are not forming typical endocrine glands. So these are also called as local hormones. They act upon the where they secretes on the gut. So ekkadaithe secrete aithe aa area lone ivi panchestu untayi. That's why we call it as local hormones. Let's see one by one what are those local hormones. First and foremost, that is gastrin. So these are very tricky objective questions. So we have to remember those secreted area and the type of hormone and the functions of hormones. So first and foremost, that is a hormone gastrin. So gastrin is the hormone secretes from the G cells of stomach region. So gastric region nunchi G cells of stomach edaithe undo pyloric sphincter edaithe undo aa sphincter regions nunchi G cells gastrin ni secrete chestunayi. So this is a hormone which is polypeptide hormone. Peptide chains are number of peptide hormone. This is a polypeptide hormone. So G cell secrete chestunayi. Hormone is a polypeptide type. So hormone name is gastrin. So the functions of hormone, it increases secretion of HCl from the oxyntic cells. So we all know oxyntic cells secretes HCl and calcium intrinsic factor. Oxyntic cells. So those cells are stimulated by this hormone, that is gastrin. Then they also increases the pepsinogen and prorenin. So increases pepsinogen and prorenin by stimulating so the cells, those secretes pepsinogen and prorenin enzymes, that is peptic cells. So these peptic cells are stimulated by gastrin hormone. Automatically they release pepsinogen and prorenin. And also stomach emptying stimulated. These gastrin stimulates the emptying of stomach by providing gastric movements. So gastric movements of stomach. So stomach emptying edaithe undo stomach lo unnatundi food stomach emptying by increase of movements of stomach. So movements evaituna stomach movements evaituna aa movements increase cheyadam kosam kuda ee gastric hormone anedi use avutundi. So one is a hormone, that is gastrin, which is a secretion derived from the G cells of a stomach. Then it is a polypeptide hormone. So what are the functions of this gastrin hormone? It secretes, increases the secretion of HCl from the oxyntic cells, increases the pepsine and prorenin by stimulating the peptic cells. Those cells secrete pepsinogen and prorenin, which are inactive enzymes. Then emptying of stomach by increase the movements of stomach. Those are regulating that stomach movements. And also this gastrin regulates. There are two sphincters in stomach. One is cardiac sphincter and pyloric sphincter. These cardiac and pyloric sphincters are regulated by this hormone. Regulated by this one. These are the four major functions. Surely the cells, oxyntic cells secrete HCl. So the secretion of HCl stimulated by the gastrin. Pepsine and prorenin are secreted by peptic cells. These peptic cells are stimulated by gastrin. Then emptying of stomach is controlled in the gastrin, and also sphincters that are present in stomach, those are controlled by the pyloric, and cardiac sphincters are controlled by this hormone, which is a polypeptide hormone. Gastrin secretes by the G cells of stomach. The next hormone after gastrin, that is secretin. Secreted S cells of mucosa of duodenum and jejunum region. So hope all you remember this duodenum and jejunum regions. One is a curved part duodenum, then jejunum. So S cells of mucosa of duodenum and jejunum. So this region there is S cells, those are endocrine cells, secretes hormone secretin. This is also polypeptide hormone, short form polypeptide hormone. So the secretin is secretes salts, that is it secretes sodium bicarbonate from stomach and liver. So from the liver and stomach region, the pancreatic regions, all these regions secrete sodium bicarbonate by the stimulating of hormone, that is secretin. So secretin is the secretin S cells. Simply remember, secretin secretes S cells of mucosa of duodenum and jejunum region. Then one more hormone, that is a cholecystokinin. So kinin also called as CCK. So cholecystokinin. So this hormone secretes from the mucosa, which is inner layer of our gut, mucosa of duodenum region. This hormone also polypeptide hormone. This is come under polypeptide hormone. So what is the function of cholecystokinin? So let's see. The cholecystokinin, it stimulates the hormone stimulates contraction of gallbladder. So contraction of gallbladder. So by the contractions of gallbladder, it releases some bile juices, gallbladder. So by stimulating contractions of gallbladder to release bile juice. So bile juice stores in gallbladder. That stimulation provides release of bile from the gallbladder region. And also this gallbladder and the hepatopancreatic duct controlled by duct, that is a sphincter of OD. That sphincter of OD also regulated by this hormone, that is cholecystokinin. So regulates sphincter of OD. Regulates sphincter of OD. And also it stimulates liver lobes to secrete bile juices. సో ఇదంతా ఒక పర్టికులర్ గాల్ బ్లాడర్లోనే రిలేటెడ్గా ఉంది చూడండి. సో గాల్ బ్లాడర్, సో దిస్ cholecystokinin CCK stimulates the contraction of gallbladder to providing releasing of bile juice. Then regulates sphincter of OD, though which is controls the hepatopancreatic duct, and also it stimulates liver lobes to release the bile juices. So these three functions are connected by or stimulated by this hormone, which is cholecystokinin, mucosa of duodenum region. So then this is a polypeptide hormone. It controls this type of functions. This is secretin. It controls only release of secrete of sodium bicarbonate from the stomach and intestine, stomach region, liver and pancreatic regions. Then one more hormone, that is one more hormone, which is pancreogymin. Pancreogymin hormone. So it is also gastrointestinal hormone. This is secreted from the mucosa of duodenum region. Mucosa of duodenum. So we all know the concavity of duodenum consists of pancreas. From the pancreas, a pancreatic region arranged in our regions there are some cells. Those are pancreogymin secreting cells. So pancreogymin is a hormone. So mucosa of duodenum. This hormone also polypeptide hormone. It is also polypeptide hormone. So actually what it does? So pancreogymin secretes some pancreatic juices by stimulating acinar cells. We all know exocrine part of the pancreas is acinar cells. So those acinar cells are stimulated by this hormone, which is pancreogymin. So mucosa of duodenum secretes this hormone, which is pancreogymin. So it stimulates the cells which are acinar cells to release pancreatic juices. So cells in acinar cells are the exocrine part of the pancreas. Those exocrine part to acinar cells are stimulated by this pancreogymin, which is secreted from the mucosa of duodenum. So acinar cells to release the pancreatic juices. So pancreogymin is the behind hormone which stimulates to secrete these pancreatic juices. So secretin, cholecystokinin, pancreogymin, which is gastrin, which we discussed in before. So next hormone, that is which is enterogastrone hormone. So next region, that is next hormone, enterogastrone. Gastrone, it relates some stomach region, gastric glands, gastrone. So this is also secreted from mucosa of duodenum. So most of the gastrointestinal hormones are coming from duodenum region only. That too, the layer is a mucosa. So enterogastrone, this hormone is also polypeptide hormone. Actually all gastrointestinal hormone which we want to discuss, those are all come under polypeptide hormones. Simply we have to remember polypeptide hormones. All are polypeptide hormones. So what it does? Enterogastrone does some stimulating, not stimulated, it decreases gastric juices. So it controls or it regulates gastric juices, and also it regulates movement of gastric region. So these are the two functions. So one, it regulates gastric juices. Mainly it decreases gastric juices. Also movement of it also decreases. So we have to mention this, it decreases movements of gastric region. So these are maybe these are inhibiting in function. So one only, which is enterogastrone, is the inhibition in function. Remaining all are stimulating. They increase the working of our cells. But this enterogastrone, one is decreases and inhibiting hormone which is present in our gastrointestinal region, that is called as enterogastrum. One more thing, that is duocrinin. Duocrinin. It is also secreted from the mucosa of duodenum. So maximum from mucosa of a duodenum. We have to remember duodenum region, very very important for our secretion of hepatopancreatic juices. So it is also polypeptide hormone. So all are polypeptide hormones. So mucosa of duodenum secretes a duocrinin. This duocrinin stimulates. It is a stimulating hormone. This only the inhibiting hormone which inhibits and decreases the gastric juices and decreases the movements of a gastric region. But it is a stimulating hormone. Duocrinin stimulates the Brunner's glands to release juices. So Brunner's glands baga stimulate avadam kosam there is a hormone which is a duocrinin secreted from the mucosa of duodenum. Up to now the hormones endocrinal cells, those are scattering in the stomach region. One is a gastrin, which is the G cells of our stomach, from the G cells of our stomach. Then secretin S cells of a pancreatic region. Then one more hormone cholecystokinin, and also next region enterogastrin. These are all from, and duocrinin, these are all from mucosa of duodenum. But we will discuss two more hormones from the small intestinal region. So let's see what are those. So one is enterokinin. So you have to remember it is enterogastrone, but it is enterokinin. It secretes from the region mucosa of a small intestine. So actual digestion takes place here. So small intestine, it is also polypeptide hormone. So enterokinin, which secretes from the mucosa of small intestine, polypeptide hormone. So what it does? So it does the stimulation of crypts of Lubberkin to release a number of intestinal juices. We all know where situated, what is the location of crypts of Lubberkin. So here it stimulates crypts, finger-like structure, crypts of Lubberkin, which are located in the small intestinal mucosal region. So it stimulates crypts of Lubberkin. So to release intestinal juices. So very very prominent in digestion, intestinal juices. Crypts of Lubberkin to secrete. So enterokinin, so it stimulates the crypts of Lubberkin to release the intestinal juices. It is also stimulating hormone. This is also stimulating hormone. This is only inhibiting hormone. Inhibit the gastric juices and inhibit the movement of a gastric region. Then come to one more hormone from the small intestine. You have to remember this one also, that is a very very important, willikinin. Simply remember enterokinin from small intestine, kinin small intestine. Then also willikinin. It is also from the mucosa, which is innermost layer of our small intestine. Mucosa of a small intestinal region. So this mucosa of small intestine secretes hormone which is willikinin, also called as polypeptide hormone in nature. So there are number of peptides are present. That's why we call it as polypeptide hormones. So this polypeptide hormone which is willikinin. So this stimulates. It is also stimulating hormone. It stimulates villi. The name itself indicates stimulates villi to increase surface area for absorption of food. To increase absorption of food rich. So these are the hormones secreted from our gastrointestinal region. So enterogastrin inhibiting hormone. So mucosa of duodenum, which is those all are polypeptide hormones. We need not to remember this. Only polypeptide hormones. But most of them are mucosa of duodenum and some are small intestine. So enterogastrin, mucosa of duodenum. So it regulates gastric juices. That means it decreases and also decreases movements of gastric movements. and also duocrinin. So this duocrinin from the mucosa of duodenum, which is polypeptide hormone. So stimulates the Brunner's gland to release juices. The Brunner's glands stimulated by this duocrinin. And enterokinin, which is secreted from the mucosa of small intestine. It is also polypeptide hormone. So it stimulates the crypts of Leberkin to secretes the intestinal juices. And villikinin, so it is also from mucosa of small intestine. These two are from mucosa of small intestine. Polypeptide hormone stimulates the villi to increase the surface area for the absorption of food. So total 8 hormones are gastrointestinal hormones. They activate on the digestive system, mostly stomach and intestinal region, to augments our digestive process, to secrete, to stimulate, to initiate our digestive cells and endocrine cells to secrete hormones. Automatically they act upon the which secretes them. So automatically those are called as local hormones. So I want to recall one thing. So gastrin, secretin, pancreogymin, cholecystokinin, enterokinin, enterogastrin, villikinin and duocrinin. These are the 8 hormones come under gastrointestinal hormones. They relates to the gastric region and intestinal region. So thank you for watching.